southwestern Fulton County in north-central Georgia until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Campbellton to Hannah, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, Dallas, City of South Fulton, Smyrna, Kennesaw, Ackworth, Union City, Villa Rica, Powder Springs, Fairburn, Austell, Hiram, Lithia Springs, Chattahoochee Hills, Fair Oaks, Lost Mountain Park, Brownsville, and Bill Arp. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.